Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Wait, no, that's not right. Afternoon students. So today's experiment is about refraction, which is the bending of light as it passes from one medium into another. It's caused specifically by changes in the speed of light as it travels from the first medium into the second, which causes the wavefront to bend around. So we're going to be doing a few different experiments today to try to measure the refractive index of different types of Perspex block. In terms of what values you should expect, I think anywhere between about 1.2 and 1.6 are kind of reasonable values. Last year someone in the labs got 2.54, which is the refractive index of diamond, and of course if I had hundreds of diamond prisms I would of course sell them, fund my retirement dream of owning a Caribbean island where I could host Hunger Games, and oh, it'd be amazing. Oh man, it'd be... Anyway, in terms of safety, this is the experiment where we make the most use of lasers, at least in the first year. So there are laser safety issues, but they won't really be relevant to you. But one thing that you'll notice as I do the experiments is if I'm reflecting a laser beam, I'll always reflect it into maybe the bench wall, as opposed to out into the room around me, and that's just a kind of safety technique to always make use of, because of course if I reflect it behind me or into other people's workspaces, then they may be able to, you know, get blinded by the laser beam, which wouldn't be ideal. So the workman's comp payments are quite high and might be enough to fund a Hunger Games island. But yeah, obviously it's not a major concern for you because you're going to be seeing the laser through a video camera system, so the safety issues aren't going to be problematic at all. In terms of the laser and camera, obviously one of the problems that we have is that the laser captures a little glare. I'll talk about that when I get to the experiments where it really affects it, but the measurements you can make, I always mark everything quite precisely, so even though the image from the video camera may not be perfect, the data that you should be reading should be, you know, you should be able to capture that data, okay? And I think that's about everything I need to say for this one, so let's make a start.